Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Hello guys and welcome to the screen capture of this video. Now before we dive into the actual process, it is important that we take a look at the difference. By difference I mean, let's just take a look at from where the Brizy Templates is missing in the latest version of Starter Templates plugin. Okay, so for this you can see I have two tabs opened in the browser. The first one is the Starter Templates 3.0 that is running the latest version of the plugin, which is the 3.1.6, and the second tab which is this one. It has the version 2.7.5, which was the version prior to this update. Now to see this change, let's just go to the Starter Templates library in both the tabs and explore from where the Brizy Templates option is missing. So for visiting the Starter Templates library, what we can do is either we can go to Appearance and then click Starter Templates over here, or we can directly click the See Library option over here. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna click and open this in a new tab. I'm gonna go back to the Starter Templates 3.0 tab. I'm gonna open the Starter Templates library from the Appearance menu, which is right over here. Now you can see here that by default Gutenberg is what I have selected because I did a previous video on this update, which is the Starter Templates 3.0 video. In case you want to know more about this update, then you can check that video out as well. The link to that video will be in the description box below and in the I button above this video. Okay, so with that in mind, let's just click this option over here. This is basically the page builder selection option that they give you. Now you can click this option and you will see the option to select Brizy Templates. So let me just click Brizy over here and it will show you all of the templates. Okay, now let's just go to Starter Templates 3.0, and when I click this page builder option, you will see the option for Brizy is missing. Now it is important to know, as mentioned in that video as well, this option is missing because in the Starter Templates 3.0 update, Brizy was deprecated, but there is a way using which you can basically get that option back again. Now if you are a Brizy user and want to enable the Brizy Templates option in the Starter Templates in the latest version of the Starter Templates plugin, then you can basically enable it in just a few steps. Now for this, what you need to do is you need to head over to settings in your WordPress dashboard, which is right over here. You need to click this. It will take you to the general settings. Now in general settings, what you need to do is you need to scroll down to the very bottom until and unless you find this option Starter Templates. Now right in front of it is the option to enable Brizy Page Builder Templates in Starter Templates. What you need to do is you need to select this option and then save the changes. Once the settings is saved, what you need to do is you need to head over to the Starter Templates library and see if the Brizy Templates option is enabled. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head over to Appearance and then click Starter Templates and open it in a new tab. Now again, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click this block editor option, this drop down right over here, and now you can see the Brizy option is present right over here. Okay, so let me just select Brizy and you will see the templates. Now in case you want to download these templates or use these templates in your design, then what you can do is you can basically select any one of these templates and then you need to go through its import flow. Now for the import flow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new video for it, how you can basically import templates from Starter Templates on your website and use them easily. So you need to wait for that video. But for right now, this is what you get. Now if you want to use the premium Brizy templates, what you will have to do is you will have to get the essential bundle from Astra. Now before we dive into the pricing of the essential bundle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a small recap of everything that we have discussed in this video till now. And for that, let me just close this tab right over here. Now, first things first, the Brizy Templates option was deprecated in the Starter Templates plugin version 3.0 and above. Now, if you are a Brizy user and want to use the templates from the Starter Templates plugin, then what you need to do is you will have to go to settings in your WordPress dashboard. Doing this will take you to the general settings, and then what you will have to do is you will have to scroll down to the very bottom until you find the Starter Templates option. Now, once you find the Starter Templates option, right in front of it will be the option to enable the Brizy page builder templates and Starter Templates. You will have to select this option like this and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, what you need to do is you need to go back to the Starter Templates library, and there you will find the option for Brizy. Now, selecting this will show you all of the templates for the Brizy page builder by Starter Templates plugin.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.